Okay, so coming to the problem on radius of curvature, we'll be getting the coordinates for radius of curvature like this. Mm, yeah, if I simplify, I'll be getting capital X to be 3x plus 4a. And then capital Y, I'm having Y common, of course. And then there's a 1 and then minus, of course, in the numerator, I can take 4a common. So I'll be having x plus a by 4a squared, right? So this squared, this goes off, right? This is equal to y into a minus xa minus a squared by a. If I take the LCM, okay. Otherwise also just see here, I can just substitute the value of y here and then proceed with things. That is, what's the value of y? It's nothing but root 4ax, right? I'll be substituting that value here. Okay, so I'll be having root 4 would be 2 root ax, okay, into 1 minus x plus a by a, okay, right. 2 root ax, a minus x minus a by a plus a and minus a goes off. Now, I have a power 1 by 2 term and x power 1 by 2 term. I'll club x term with x and a term with a using my this relation, that is a power m by a power n formula. All of you know that it is a power m minus n, and then a power m into a power n formula, that is a power m plus n. Okay, right. So 2 into, there's a minus sign for the x. So x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2 plus 1, x power 1 by 2 into x power 1, right? By that I have a power 1 by 2 in the numerator. If it goes to the denominator, it will be a power minus 1 by 2 into a. Okay. So a power 1 minus 1 by 2 would be a power 1 by 2 or root a. This value goes to root a and this value goes to 1 by 2 plus 1 would be 3 by 2. So it is minus 2 into x power 3 by 2. Okay. So finally, I'll just erase this basic formula which all of you are aware of, right? It's just the simplifying, the way in which you simplify. Okay. So capital Y would turn out to be this y. I have substituted this value. I have simplified this bracket. Okay. So finally I am with minus 2 x power 3 by 2 in the numerator and a power 1 by 2 or root a in the denominator for capital Y. Now how do I find an evolute? There's no specific procedure for evolute, guys. How do I find the evolute for this curve is, there's no specific procedure. Evolute is nothing but finding a relationship between, find a relation between small x and small y by eliminating capital X and capital Y. By eliminating, I'm sorry, finding a relation between capital X and capital Y by eliminating small x and small y. How do we do that? I will show you in this problem where I have this capital X to be 3x plus 2a, this is, I'm sorry, this is 2a, not 4a, okay? And then y to be minus 2x power 3 by 2 by root a. There is no specific procedure, guys. You just go with your intuition or your own way to find the evolute. What's the basic idea behind how to find the evolute is, I'll be eliminating capital X, small x and small y and find a relation between capital X and capital Y. Okay, just go with the intuition. Now I have capital X is equal to 3x plus 2a, by the way. For the curve, y square is equal to 4ax, right? And capital Y. What are the center of curvature coordinates? Okay. 2x power 3 by 2 by root a. Okay. Right. Now, what I will do is I will try to get the value of small x from this. This is one procedure, not the only procedure, by the way. I'll get the value of small x from the above equation. That would be x minus 2a by 3. Okay, that I will substitute in y. Okay, so what I will be getting is minus 2 into this is capital X minus 2a whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Of course, the whole term, na? So by 3 power 3 by 2 is also there. by root A is also there. Okay, this is in multiplication. I'll just put it with a dot because so that you don't get confused with uh, the capital X term. The cross, you don't get confused with the capital X term. Okay, or there is another way that I can do. What that is I can just take cube of, let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Because this is looking complicated, I can as well go like this. What that is um, cubing on both sides. Cubing equation 2 on both sides. Equation 2 on both sides. What I'll be getting is both sides. Squaring is enough, I think, not cubing. Squaring on both sides. What I will be getting is y squared. This is equal to minus 2x whole power 3 by 2 whole power 2 by root a whole square. Yeah, all of them will go off. Okay, so minus 2 whole square would be 4, guys. X power 3 by 2 into 2. 2 goes off, so I'll be left with x cube. And root a whole square would be a, as you all know. Okay, now in the place of x, I'll be substituting. Okay, let this be equation 3. Okay, 3 in y square. 3 in y square would give me what? 4 into x minus 2a whole cube by denominator 3 is there, na? 3 cube by 8 is what I will have. Okay. Yeah. So 4 into x minus 2a whole cube by 3 cube would be 27a. Yes, is that okay? Now, LHS is y squared. So finally, I will write 27a y squared is equal to 4 into x minus 2a whole cube. Now, here I will stress one point here, guys. What that is if I'm asked to find center of curvature, I'll just leave finding center of curvature. I'll finish my problem with finding center of curvature. But if I'm asked to find the evolute, I have to find the center of curvature first, right? I'll be finding center of curvature first, then go with finding a relationship between capital X and capital Y. My evolute is completely based on the relationship between the center of curvature points. Okay, because of which what I will do is I'll be finding the relationship between capital X and capital Y, and clearly you can see in this equation there are no small x and small y terms. Small x and y terms. Is that fine? Is that fine? Right? Okay, then I'll just discuss one more problem on center of curvature and evolute in my next video. I will stop here.